Build a digital product that sells itself, your passive income guide. Hey everyone, it's Money Via. Want to make some serious cash while you sleep? Yeah, me too. No dealing with shipping nightmares, no stressing about inventory, just pure, scalable income. Imagine this, you create something awesome once and it just keeps generating sales for you, day in and day out. Whether it's an ebook, a course, or even a killer Notion template, these assets can bring in passive income for years to come. In this video, I'm going to walk you through, step by step, how to find a profitable idea, create the product, and turn it into a passive income machine. We're talking marketing strategies, automation tools, the whole 9 yards. So if you're ready to unlock a world of financial freedom, stick around, because this video is about to change your life. Alright, let's talk about why digital products are like the holy grail of online income. I'm talking about the kind of income that lets you travel the world, work from anywhere, and actually enjoy your life, you know. First off, they're insanely scalable. Think about it. Whether you sell 1 copy or 10,000, your costs stay basically the same. No need to manufacture more, ship anything out. It's all digital. Second, the profit margins are insane. You're not dealing with the cost of goods, manufacturing, or any of that jazz. Once you create it, it's pure profit from there on out. Third, automation is your best friend. You set up your sales funnel once and it just keeps chugging along, bringing in sales while you sleep, hit the gym, or finally take that vacation you've been dreaming of. And lastly, these products can be evergreen. That means they stay relevant and profitable for years, with minimal updates. So, what kind of digital products are we talking about? Well, you've got your ebooks, packed with valuable information. Notion templates are blowing up right now, helping people organize their lives and businesses. Alright, so you're pumped about digital products, right? But how do you find a killer idea that's actually going to make you money? It all starts with identifying a problem. Not just any problem though. We're talking about a painful, urgent, or recurring problem that people are desperate for a solution to. The best digital products scratch an itch that people are already trying to scratch. So, how do you find these problems? Well, get yourself onto the internet and start digging. Reddit is a gold mine. Seriously, browse subreddits in your niche, see what people are complaining about, what questions they're asking over and over again. Quora is another great resource. People go there specifically to ask questions, so it's like a giant list of problems waiting to be solved. Facebook groups are awesome too, especially those niche groups where people are passionate about a specific topic. Look for recurring themes, pain points, and you'll start to see patterns emerge. And don't forget about Google Trends. This tool lets you see what people are searching for so you can spot rising trends and get ahead of the curve. See what's selling well on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, Product Hunt. That'll give you an idea of what's already working. Always be asking yourself, what are people constantly struggling with? And what shortcut, solution, or tool can I offer to make their lives easier? Once you've identified a problem worth solving, it's time to choose the best format for your digital product. This is key because the right format will make it way easier to create, deliver, and sell your solution. Let's break down some popular options. First up, we've got ebooks. These are perfect for packaging in-depth knowledge, how-to guides, and educational content. Then there are mini courses. These are great for teaching a specific skill or process through short, digestible videos. Templates are super hot right now. Think Google Sheets, Notion templates, Canva templates, anything that helps people save time and streamline their work. Audio files are another cool option. You could create guided meditations, sound effects packs, or even audiobooks. And of course, there are printables. These are great for planners, workbooks, checklists, and anything else people can print out and use in their daily lives. The most important thing is to pick a format that you're excited about and that aligns with the problem you're solving. Okay, so you've got your idea and you've chosen the perfect format. Now it's time to actually build the thing. And the best part? You don't need any fancy software or expensive equipment to create a high-quality digital product. Seriously, there are so many free and affordable tools out there that can help you get the job done. For example, if you're creating an ebook, you can write and format the entire thing in Google Docs, then use Canva to create a killer cover and make it look super professional. If you're building templates, Google Sheets and Notion are your best friends. They're both free, super powerful, and easy to use. For online courses, you can record high-quality videos using Loom or OBS, both of which have free versions that are more than enough to get started. Canva is a lifesaver for creating checklists, PDFs, workbooks, pretty much anything visual. And when it comes to packaging and selling your product, there are tons of great platforms to choose from. Gumroad and Payhip are both popular options that make it easy to sell digital downloads directly to your audience. Or, if you want even more control, you can create your own website using platforms like Shopify or WordPress and sell your products directly from there. The most important thing is to create a product that's well designed, easy to use, and actually delivers on its promises. Alright, you've poured your heart and soul into creating an amazing digital product. Now, it's time to build a landing page that's going to make people want to throw their money at the screen. Your landing page is your product's online salesperson, and it needs to be convincing. Start with a killer headline that grabs attention and focuses on the transformation your product offers. Don't be afraid to be bold and really sell the benefits. Next, clearly and concisely explain what your product is. No jargon, no fluff, just straight to the point. Make sure you're speaking directly to your target audience. Let them know that this product is specifically designed to solve their problems. Show, don't just tell. Include visuals of your product, whether it's screenshots, mock-ups, or even short video demos. Testimonials are gold. Even if you're just starting out, get a few early users or beta testers to give you feedback and testimonials that you can use on your landing page. Offer a guarantee. This could be a money-back guarantee, a satisfaction guarantee, or even a results guarantee. It shows confidence in your product and reduces risk for the buyer. Now, there are a bunch of great platforms you can use to build your landing page. Gumroad has built-in landing pages that are simple and effective. Card is another great option if you want a super simple, one-page website. Alright, your product is live, your landing page is converting, now it's time to get some eyeballs on it. And not just any eyeballs, we're talking about targeted traffic that's actually interested in what you're selling. The best part? You can automate a lot of this traffic so it keeps coming in even when you're not working. Pinterest is a gold mine for digital products, especially if you're selling printables, planners, templates, anything visually appealing. Create eye-catching pins that link back to your landing page and watch the traffic roll in. YouTube automation is another powerful strategy. You don't even need to show your face. Create helpful videos reviewing products in your niche, tutorials, or anything that provides value and subtly promotes your product. SEO blog posts are a long-term traffic strategy that can pay off big time. Write in-depth, helpful guides that rank well in search engines and naturally lead people to your product. Email marketing is still king. Build your email list by offering a valuable freebie related to your product and then promote your product to your subscribers. And don't underestimate the power of short-form video platforms like TikTok and Instagram Reels. Create engaging, bite-sized content that grabs attention and drives traffic to your landing page. You've got the basics down, you're making sales, and now you're ready to 10 times your revenue. Here's how upsells. Offer a premium version of your product, maybe with bonus content, templates, or extended access. People are already loving your product, so why not give them the option to get even more value? Bundles are another great way to increase your average order value. Package together multiple products that complement each other and offer them at a discounted price. Memberships are huge right now, and for good reason. They provide ongoing value to your customers and create recurring revenue for you. You could offer monthly templates, coaching calls, access to a private community. The possibilities are endless. And don't forget about the power of affiliate marketing. Create an affiliate program and let other people promote your product for a cut of the profits. It's like having a whole army of salespeople working for you 24/7. Keep experimenting, keep innovating, and watch your income soar. And that's how you build a digital product that sells itself. Build once, market smart, earn forever. It's the ultimate path to financial freedom, and it's within your reach. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more money-making tips and strategies. So get out there, start building, and I'll see you at the top.